Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super handy skill, how to attach a document to an email using Google Drive. This is perfect if you frequently share files through Gmail, and it'll save you a ton of time. Let's dive in and make this process seamless. Start by logging into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, click on the Compose button in the upper left corner. This opens a new email draft window on the lower right of your screen. At the bottom of this draft, you'll see several icons. Look for the Google Drive icon, which looks like a small triangle. Click it, and a window will pop up showing all your Drive files. This is powerful because it lets you attach documents directly from Google Drive without downloading them first. Now, navigate through your folders and select the file you want to share. Make sure you double check that it's the correct document. Trust me, it saves a lot of headaches. Once selected, you'll see an option that says Add as Link. Click it to attach your document as a link in the email. This method is great for large files or for sharing documents that you want the recipient to always have the latest version of, since Google Drive automatically updates shared files. And that's it. Your document is now attached to your email, ready to send. Integrating Google Drive with Gmail makes sharing files fast, easy, and hassle-free. Thanks for watching. I hope this quick tutorial makes sending documents easier than ever. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own.